welcome again to our channel, Let Dr. Victor. I'm your host, Dr. Victor. So today we are going to be doing pedicure in pets, precisely dogs. So for dogs that have white nails, it's very easy to trim it off. But for dogs that don't have white nails, they have dark nails, you will need some little bit of technicalities to maneuver around the whole process. So we're going to walk you through all of that. So please, before you go on, hit the subscribe button and like our videos for more content.
When we see the black dot in the middle, that's where we stop. So be watching. You see a black dot in the middle. But when you see the black dot there, it means that beyond the black dot there you see blood. So you don't have to. Very careful process. So you scrape again. Don't worry, when I get there, I'll let you know. It will be different from what we're doing now. Good. So this is black thing. This is black.